Welcome back to the Our Leap of Faith channel. If you don't know us, we're Paul and Michelle. We're travelling around Spain and Portugal this year in our camper van. And today we're in one of the 7 wonders of Portugal, one of its most charming and amazing medieval towns. We're in the walled city of Óbidos. So it's probably like Michelle's worst nightmare.
Yes, we've got no sides.
There's no sides, right. And we're basically on top of the old castle wall. And down there is the floor. And we're actually only getting further up. How cool is that? Probably the best way to start your visit in this town is to literally clamber up the castle walls. The town walls are quite amazing. They stretch for 1.5 kilometers and the views are to die for. I don't think she likes it.
She doesn't.
There is like 2 foot of
Yeah, I know there is.
stone.
I still don't like it. Alright.
So now we're coming up rooftop height. See the nice old terracotta tiles, all the buildings in front of us. This, although Michelle is petrified, this like 18-inch wide path around these walls is spectacular. This is what dreams are made of. As you walk along the walls, you pass by towers, gates, fortifications. You're above the town, which is worth dropping down in and having a visitor as well. Streets everywhere. And a Christmas market everywhere. He'll be home for Christmas. Oh, there you go, it tells you what it is. Hot chocolate with cherry liqueur is what it is. Some random obsession with canned fish in this country. Everywhere we've been, we've got these beautiful, beautiful shops just with canned fish.
They're all dated. Look. Going back to 1992, look.
Must be very special fish. Must learn more. So what are we thinking? Genuinely one of the 7 wonders of Portugal?
It's beautiful. Just keeps on giving every street you walk round. Lovely.
How to get lost in amongst little buildings.
That's the garage door.
That's the garage door. That's the way we've come. Dark alley it is then. See what we find down this one. Awful. Really sick dark chocolate.
Nice.
Nice and wintry to go with the wintry day. No visit to Óbidos could be complete without trying the local ginger liqueur. It's a sweet and sour liqueur made from the ginger berries which are grown in the local region. Traditionally served in a little chocolate cup which you can eat afterwards. Shall we see what Michelle thinks of this one? It's got a pip. Is it sour?
Strong. It tastes of marzipan.
So the whole little chocolate cup, which is filled with this sour cherry liqueur.
That's not sour though.
Is it not?
I'll have a taste of that. I'll have a taste.
We hope you've enjoyed this whistle-stop tour of this truly, truly wonderful gem in Portugal. Remember to like, subscribe, and get ready for the next few videos.